Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the Settings page in Act 3 AI. This page includes several sections, and each section gives you control over a different part of your account, organization, projects, and subscription. We'll begin with Account Management. Here, you can update personal information such as your first and last name. You can also view the email address connected to your account. However, for security reasons, the email address cannot be changed from this page. Next, let's open Preferences. This section allows you to personalize your experience. For example, you can choose a light theme, a dark theme, or use your system's default appearance. You can also turn different options on or off according to the way you prefer to use the application. The available settings can also be configured for individual organizations. Select an organization to manage the options that apply specifically to it. At the project level, you can enable or disable features such as audio processing, chat, AI chat, and other available tools. This gives each project its own customized configuration. Now, let's move to Organizations. This page displays the organizations you own or belong to. You will only see organizations associated with your account. Select an organization to view its details. The Organization Details page includes information such as the organization's name and description. If no description was added when the organization was created, this area will remain empty until one is provided. You can also add members to the organization and assign the appropriate level of access to each person. On the Organization Settings page, you can enable or disable available features, including ElevenLabs integration where supported. You can edit the organization to update its name and other details. If you have the required permission, you can also delete the organization. The organization page also allows you to review its members and transfer ownership to another eligible member. If someone else invited you to the organization, you can leave it whenever you no longer wish to participate. Now, let's open the Members section. Here, you can see how many members belong to the organization and view the member list. If you have the necessary permission, you can invite new members and assign an access level to each one. You can also review pending invitations if your role gives you access to them. Authorized users can remove members from the organization when necessary. Next is Cloud Storage. This section shows the amount of storage available to the organization and how much has already been used. Storage limits depend on the selected plan. A free plan provides a smaller storage allowance, such as 50 megabytes, while paid plans provide more storage. Now, let's look at script backups. This feature allows you to create backups of scripts used in different projects. When you make changes to a script in the editor, these backups can help you recover an earlier version. You can set the backup interval anywhere from 1 day to 365 days. Enabling this feature may require additional credits. Next is Plans. This page shows the subscription plan selected for the current organization. If the organization has not purchased a plan, it will show that no plan is selected. In this example, one organization has a Pro plan priced at $175, while another organization does not have an active plan. The Movie Cost section provides a detailed cost breakdown based on factors such as video duration and the AI models used. The Properties and Loss section also provides detailed information about the different models being used and their related usage. On the Subscription page, you can check whether the organization has an active subscription. If it is subscribed, the current plan, such as the Pro plan, will be displayed here. The Payment History page shows previous subscription payments and the amount paid for each one. The Payment Method page displays the saved payment method used to pay for the monthly subscription. Next is Credit Usage. This page shows how many credits have been used and how many remain available. In this example, the account currently has approximately 8,700 credits. You can open the different tabs to view a detailed breakdown of where those credits were used. The Rollover Bank stores eligible unused credits that can be carried into the next month. The maximum rollover bank balance depends on the plan. In this example, it can hold up to 200,000 credits. Your regular credits are used first, and credits from the rollover bank are used only after the regular balance has been exhausted. Next is pricing details. This section explains how many credits each service requires and shows the corresponding monetary cost. For example, it may show the price associated with 364 credits. You can also create and manage API keys from Act 3 AI. These keys allow you to connect the platform to other applications. Remember to keep your API keys private and store them securely. Finally, the credit indicator shows the live number of regular credits currently available to you. The rollover bank indicator shows the live number of rollover credits available in your account. That concludes our overview of the Act 3 AI settings page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.